What is up everyone, Tech Nerd here with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chasing LEDs with the Arduino. Let's get to it. Okay guys, the components you'll be needing for this project is an Arduino Uno and 10 LEDs, doesn't matter which color. And you're going to need 10 100 ohm resistors. And you're gonna need a bunch of jumper cables. And you're gonna need a breadboard. And that's all. Okay guys, this is the circuit diagram for this project. Next, I'll show you how to make it. Okay guys, after you're done with the connections, you can find this code in the description below and you can upload it to your Arduino. Okay guys, if you uploaded the code correctly to the Arduino, your chasing LED should be working like this. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.